What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn this image into this neon version image on Canva into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. This tutorial gonna help you in the case that you need a neon version, a transparent version, a just borders version of any image that you upload on Canva. How to do this? Review the left sidebar of menus. Review the left sidebar of menus. Click on apps. Go type neon grow, just like this. Select this app. You're gonna be able to see this field. Click on choose file. Select the file. You can change the glow intensity and the line thickness and the color. Let's click on generate to test. Here's the normal result. You can do design, or of course you can change the color, in the case that you wish, the glow intensity, the line thickness, and generate again. If you like the result, add to design again. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!